Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your YouTube channel the correct way using a Mac computer in 2024. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a YouTube account as well as a video that we will be uploading. We cannot start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content to see what we have on screen. As you can see, we have been concurrently working on videos for OneDrive. I also have a video that was created 10 minutes ago that will be uploaded to my channel now. So let's now click on Create, Upload Videos, select Files. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have a video for upload. So there we have it. Click on this. Now click on Upload. Wait for that to upload. In the meantime, let's now open up a brand new tab. Go back into YouTube Studio. Let's now go to Content. Let's go to a previous video that was uploaded. Take the full description, Command A, right click, copy, go back to the video, paste that within the description, Command V, and now the tutorial that we are uploading is how to stop sharing a text file. So let's now take some of the wording from that and then add it into the description. Highlight, copy, and now let's replace how to stop sharing a text file on OneDrive using a Mac desktop computer. Let's now take a section of the description, highlight, copy, go into the title, Command V to paste. So that itself is now done. We will be uploading a thumbnail in the latter future. So let's now also add this video to some of the playlists that have been created in the previous years or so. So let's now add to how to and style, how to use OneDrive, all videos, click on done. Let's go to show more, altered content, absolutely not. Let's now go back to the second tab, scroll all the way down again, go to the tags, copy all the tags, go back, replace the canned tags that we have. Let's now go all the way to the bottom, activity, beginner, click on next. We will monetize in the near future, not now. Click on next. Your video will go through some checks before they inform you that everything is in working order. Let's now click on next again. So we want to have this video uploaded for the next working day. So this video itself will now be uploaded as part of today's upload. So the 17th of May. Let's now click on schedule. Let's now change the time to about, let's just say 11. And then the 17th of May. Now click on schedule upload. Let's now close that. Let's now close the second tab. We can now go into this video and then add an end screen. Import from video. Let's import from the last video. Not once, but twice. Click on save. And our job now is to then just wait for the video quality to upload in high definition as well as 4K. As you know, we always export our videos in 4K resolution to have a higher chance of them being ranked to the top of the search engine. Let's go back one. It's all a waiting game now. The video itself has now been fully uploaded to our YouTube channel, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.